Hey, what's up YouTube family? Today I'm going to be doing a quick lesson involving the words has, have, had, will have. So this is a real quick lesson. Maybe you're just have a few minutes, you're eating lunch, and you want to touch up on your English grammar. This is going to help you. So has, have, had, will have. Has is a present tense right now. Have is also present tense right now. Had is past tense, it happened before. Will have is something going to happen in the future. Okay? So present tense, how do you use these words? If you're going to use has, it's for the noun he or she. Okay? So it's he has a new car. She has a new car. They presently have a new car. Now, present tense also, if you're going to use the word have, now this is kind of tricky, okay? You can say this, you can use this noun, I. I have a big dog. I presently have a big dog right now. You can also say they have a big dog, like your neighbors, a group of people. They have a big dog. You can also say, if it's your family, you can say we have a big dog. So you can use all these, but you can't say he had a big dog. That's not right. Okay? That's not good grammar. Past tense is we had a great time on vacation. You went on vacation last week, and you would say, if someone asked you, hey, how was your vacation? You would say, we had a great time on vacation. But you could also use the nouns, she had a great time on vacation, or he had a great time on vacation, or I had a great time on vacation. So, now future tense is something going to happen. She will have a birthday party. So next week's her party. She's going to have a party. It's she will have a birthday party. But you can also say they will have a birthday party for her. Or you can say we will have a birthday party for her. And you can also say I will have a birthday party. So you can use all those nouns in that case. So this has been a quick lesson on your grammar with Learn English with Shane. So stay tuned. I'm going to have more English grammar lessons, and you're going to get better. Just keep practicing, okay? All right, later. I'm out.